How you doing out there? This is Kenny Albertini from Sound Deluxe Car Audio coming to you with our latest kit for the new JL Jeep Wrangler. This will work for the 2018 to the 2021 Jeep JL Wrangler. It's going to cover the rear section. It's going to cover the wheel wells. So basically you're going to be removing your carpet on the sides and your top panel, and then you're going to remove your back seats to do this properly. We're going to have pieces like this here, and you're going to peel and stick just like all our other kits. And again, this is an addition to our kit that we already have out, so look for it as soon as it hits the market. All right, so with the SoundSkins JL kit, applying it all over the floor as well as in the doors and in the back is going to significantly reduce road noise, especially if you have big tires like I do. This has 37s on it and they are pretty loud. It's going to significantly reduce that tire noise and road noise. As well as it insulates as well. So if you're in cold weather or hot weather, it's going to help with insulation and keep the car a little cooler inside as well. And any kind of little rocks or things like that that hit up when you're off-roading, it definitely makes it more quiet and deadens that sound. So SoundSkins Global, that's the way to go. To do the disassembly, it's pretty straightforward as far as unsnapping your side panels. You're not going to really need any tools for the side panels or the carpet. You are going to need an 18mm socket to remove the seats and all the bolts that go to the seats and the seat brackets. And then you're going to want to unsnap the panel that sits right on top of right there. It's a little tight, so you probably need a clip removal tool. Once you have that panel off, it'll reveal the final bolts here, here, and here. And then you'll be able to pull those off, then probably get a buddy to help you pull the seat off. You can disconnect the seat and pull off one small section of it, and then the big section if it's a lot easier for you. There's just two pieces of hardware that hold it together. I think it's a 13mm and then a Torx to remove the seat belt. Once that's detached, you can separate the seats and pull the small section out and then pull the big section out. Totally up to you guys. So here we are peeling the backing off of the SoundSkins. There's going to be a left and a right side for the wheel well, so make sure that you mock it up before you peel up the backing to make sure that you have them the right side where it needs to go, okay? And then you're just going to want to pull off the backing just as such. It's easier to pull the backing off if the piece lays flat. Okay, so once you have the backing off, it'll look like this here. And then you're just gonna fit it up best you can. Don't stick it down too hard in an area. That way, if it's not positioned correctly, you can easily shift it around, okay? So I'm gonna jump in here and install this backside section. There are going to be a couple of wires that you'll need to pull off as far as plugs right here on the passenger side and then one ground on the rear driver's side. Okay, now we got both of our rear sections done. Now we're going to do the floor. We recommend doing the sides first. That way you're not stepping all over the piece once it gets installed, okay? So sides are on, go into the rear. So when you do this big section in the back here, we recommend doing the front portion where the back seats bolt in first. That way you can align all the holes perfectly. And you're only gonna peel back the section from here down, okay? And then this part still has the backing on it, as you can see here. It makes it a lot easier for you to work with, and it's not getting stuck all over the place. So you can secure this bottom piece, making sure everything centers perfectly around the holes for the carpet clip and also the back seat bolts. And this should pretty much line up with the bottom of the original kit if you guys have that, just as a reference point. But if you don't, it's no problem. Real easy. We got the holes cut out for you to line everything up with. It's pretty straightforward. You guys shouldn't have any problems with it. Most of you DIY guys are pretty talented anyway, so it should be pretty easy for you. So now that we have this section here all down and secure, I'm going to jump in, I'm going to flip it backwards, or actually forward towards the front of the vehicle, and then peel off the rest of the backing, and then work my way from where it's already attached outwards, starting in the center. All right, we got our piece installed now, and then we're gonna add these two little side sections right here. Once you have those all in, you guys will be all done. All right, so we just finished installing our new Jeep JL kit for the rear section. The final pieces you're gonna add are these little side pieces. They are different, so again, mock up everything before you peel the backing off and stick it. Once you got backing off of all your pieces and everything's all stuck down, you can go ahead and start reassembly. You're just going to reverse that process, put everything back in, starting with your carpet, your seats, so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it on this JL kit. This is actually our own personal vehicle here at Sound Deluxe. It's our demo vehicle that we're doing a full audio upgrade as well as a full sound dampening treatment. So we've actually used this product in our own vehicle, as you can see right here. This is a brand new 2021 JL Rubicon. We're doing the doors as well. You can see the floor is completely done as well, and we're upgrading to a pretty awesome audio system, okay? So not only do we film this and install it, but we actually live by it and believe in it. So SoundSkins is the way to go. It's in our own vehicles, and it should be in yours too.